Alright, hey guys, I want to show you guys what I shipped within 4 hours, and I sent it out for demo day at work, and it's kind of nice and cool, though this is more of like a prototype, and again it's kind of nice. So what did I build? Solving this problem. I was trying to solve this problem of here in Uganda we locally have this thing. Let's say you're calling MTN or Airtel. There is this customer care line that you're calling, and whenever you're calling it they tell you press 1 to have this option, press 2 to have this, press 3 for this, press 5 to contact this one, and this one to get connected to this agent. To me personally, I find that very annoying. I find it very annoying, and very hectic. It takes a lot of time. So I built Smart Call AI, whereby you just talk. You just, once you're put on the call, you immediately talk your heart out. You say, "Me, I'm tired of this and this. This is what's happening. This is the problem that I faced. I want to, like, be helped in this way and this way." So immediately, you don't even have to tell how what you want help with. You just state your problem. So immediately AI will orchestrate what you have talked about, and it will categorize it into like different categories. Let's say this is a technical problem, this is a sales problem, this is an insurance problem, and it will connect you to the next agent. So without further ado, let me test it. So right now we are mocking the call UI, because locally we would have had a phone and called maybe a certain number of a company, and then would have been directed or anything. But I didn't have time to set up those telecom, like software like Twilio and everything. It was going to be hectic. Plus also it was going to burn a lot of money, right? The only thing I paid for was the Open AI API key or something like that. So hello, please tell us how we can help. This is like a mock UI for a call. So let's say like I have a problem with my Wi-Fi, right? Let's state a technical issue, and then it's going to, like, categorize it and send me out for help. Are we recording? Yeah, it's recording. So let's start a call. Hey, I'm having problems with my Wi-Fi. It has been off since yesterday, and it's not having now clear internet connection. Please help me. I press done. Remember, this is just mock you. I just try to think of when you just talking on the phone, and everything here, the pressing done and continue is just automatically automated on the mobile phone. So the AI returns kind of like three things. It returns the category of the problem, the confidence, how confident is the problem, and it tells the reason why it thinks it's a technical problem. So customer is experiencing issues with their Wi-Fi connection. The message clearly indicates a problem with the Wi-Fi and request assistance, which falls under technical support. Yeah. So we press continue, and we are connecting. So we are connected in the queue, right? I don't know what they mean by queue, but let's check right over here on the admin. You can see we are having the agents, right? We are having a sales agent, insurance agent. We have Emma working in general inquiry. We have Grace working in billing, and we have John working in technical support. So locally, we would have had something like, if we were to state such a technical problem, we would have, I don't know why it just told me it's in queue. All the endpoints are returning 200. So okay, so now back to this. I would have been connected to Michael or Linda. So probably in when they say like we are in a queue, it's telling us we are going to get connected to the next person within a couple of minutes. So let's say analytics. We go to analytics again. Let's try to ignore the call. Let's say that the admin and analytics is embedded inside the dashboard for the company. Let's say I'm having a company and people are making calls via my phone number or the company's phone number. This is what I'll be able to see. I'll be able to have this admin, side to see like the agents. I can easily add in an agent, and I say the agent is working in insurance, agent is working in loans, add their phone number and add their name. So when we go to analytics, let's see, we have total calls which are 14, and calls today which are 14. Again, I built this at midnight, so that's why you see all the calls that are here are testing and everything. And you can see the recent calls, just like what we did at 10:40 43, which is just 2 minutes back. This transcript saying, hey, I have a problem with my Wi-Fi and it failed under technical support and everything. So it's being queued and we are going to be sent to the next person. So I feel like such solutions already exist and they are already monetized and are having, like money and everything. But I just built this, like I felt joy building something like this, and I guess it's also solving a problem that I'm having. I'm currently, like learning two things: problem solving and also sharpening my technical skills, right? So yeah, if you want it, it's a public repository. You can just go over to my GitHub and get it. Plus also I'll leave the link in the description. You can go and click around, play around with it a little bit and see what you can, do, or you can do something more impactful with it. So yeah. And oh, and by the way, before I even forget, if you find this video very interesting, just tip me. Just click the link in the bio and tip me. Salam. Damn, 6 minutes.